Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can sign up in your WeChat account on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first and the most basic step is to tap in the WeChat app to get it opened up. So once you tap it and open the WeChat app, you have to tap on the sign up option. So you can choose the sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook option. So as this is from the mobile phone, you need to simply type in your name, your country and your region selected from the drop down menu given by the WeChat app itself. And as you select the country or region, you need to type in your phone number. And after you are done typing in your phone number, all you need to do is type in your password for your account. So after typing your mobile phone number and password, you need to click on the box given and click on the accept and continue option. So once you press on accept and continue, you will be directed to its policies. So after reading I have read and accept the above terms, you need to press on next and wait for a while. Now after this, your verification will get started, so you need to press on the start option and you need to solve a puzzle given by the WeChat app. So after solving the puzzle, your verification as a human being will be completed, and now a code will be sent to your mobile phone. However, if you don't receive the code, you can press on no verification code received and press on the receive a phone call option. Then you will get a phone call on your typed number. So a code will be sent via this number and you need to type the code and simply press on the next button. So after you type in the code and press the next button, all the steps are done and you have successfully created your WeChat account. So now all the things that are needed is to accept its policies and check in your account. And after you do this, you are all set. So this is how you sign up in WeChat. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.